Hello, welcome back. Today I have another case, my old case from last year, 50th anniversary, that I'm going to show you anyway, although a lot of people are already showing this in the YouTube, but I think why not? I'm just showing what I collected, so let's go. This is from a car culture or cargo carriers. So we are talking about cargo carriers of Hot Wheel car culture. So the car number 1, nice Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus. Ever popular casting among the collectors. And in fact, that I'm just starting collecting these cars last year. So I do not have much, but I try to show you as much as what I have, if I could. So very nice, kind of cute the wheel. So Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus, that's number 1. And you have 2 in one case. So car number 2, Ford Transit Supervan in Gulf livery. Very nicely done, the details. You can see the Ford Gary printer on front, Gulf at the back, and at the bottom, Gulf number 1. Very nice artwork as usual. Two a piece in the case, so you can open one. The third car, in fact we have 3. That means that we have one of the car, we only have one piece in the case, which is Volkswagen Sunagon. So this gonna be a sort of like a chase car. Car number 3. Look at that details. Motorbike behind. So this Volkswagen Sunagon, and you only have one of these in the case. Car number 4, Nissan Skyline Wagon. Car number 4. Very nice color. Some detail on the front side. The headlight, rear mirror, the top, the back, and the bottom. Some people collect this, but my least favorite casting anyway. But this is still very nicely done casting. Car number 4. 2 in the case. The last car in the case will be Honda Odyssey. Car number 5. Here. Excellent artwork. Take a closer look. Something like metallic maroon, but it will be more darker if you look closely. Bismotto at the rear mirror, rear windshield. sunroof, look at the bottom, tire with radio, and the front. Quite nice actually. So you have two Honda Odyssey in the case. Now, which one is your favorite? For me, I will go for this and this T1 Panel Bus. Let me know what is your favorite car in this case, whether it be a Volkswagen Sunagon or Nissan Skyline Wagon, Honda Odyssey T1 Panel Bus, or Ford Transit Supervan. Let me know in the comment below, and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.